Hey guys, really excited to be bringing to you the Renpho Solar Smart Scale today, and actually unboxing and reviewing it. You see, here's the scale just here. Now, why I'm so excited is with the Renpho scale, it actually has 13 different types of measurements it takes with you just standing on it, which is really exciting. So from this scale, you stand on there and it does it for you. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna jump on the scale and get my measurement and show you what it comes to. And then we're gonna look a bit about the app. And I guess while I'm doing that, what I might do is just show you the app quickly. So you can see just here is the app. Now the app is very easy to set up. You just literally go to the App Store, download the Renpho Health app, and you can download it. So let's jump on now, jump on the scales, and come back and talk a bit more about what it actually shows us. Let's do it now. Okay, so here's the scales just here. Now to start with, I suggest you go onto a hard floor. I did carpet before and it seemed to give different results. It's as simple as actually standing on the scales, having Bluetooth connected, of course, and standing here. And what it's going to do is going to get your weight. You see that clicking there? It means it's uploading to the Bluetooth. Wait a minute. And there we are, it's uploaded to Bluetooth. So that's actually connected now to Bluetooth. Let's go back and look at the app and see how it's been updated. Okay, there you go. So we jumped on the Renpho scales just here and actually got the measurements. Now, as you can see here on the app, body weight is 73.8 kilos. Now, what I like straight away is how actually specific that is. Not random numbers, it actually gives it straight to it. It also gives these 13 different levels of body composition. Now, I'm not a trained medical expert, so I can't say how accurate these are, but if you look at it, it gives a lot more information behind what it says. So if we go and look at body composition, you've got the weight there, it gives a breakdown of water, protein, body fat, and bone mass, which is good. And then it goes through each of the different elements. You see, having different elements is important. When you're working out, trying to increase your body mass, having different indicators helps you know where to focus your workout routines and work out what you're working on. So with this one, you've got the weight there, 73.8 kilos, BMI 25.5, which is saying slightly high, but it's surprising because I do work out a lot. Body fat percentage 16.1%, which is fitness. There's my skeletal muscle as well. Fat-free mass there. So what this basically shows you is a different composition of how your